episode is all about, chickens. The most smartest animal on earth. They're one of them, okay? So let's think about dolphins, elephants, the other smart animals. But chickens are one of the coolest animals. They can see all colors. They can see all colors, like all colors. They can remember 100, but I had a test on with my mum and she counted how many I can know. And I remembered even more than that. I've remembered tons more. Just 2 more. But the chicken is one of the smartest. Do you know chickens can actually do math better than I can? Even the little baby chicks can do that. And do you know they have that crown thing, what is like this, to impress females like hens to make a new family. Then the chicks will come out of the eggs and then they'll go older and older. Chickens do like bop, 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 bop. But the rooster does cock-A-Doodle-Doo-Doo. That's the territory alarm. So one male can it's loud cock-A-Doodle-Doo, and when every other hen, there's a predator or someone wants to take one of them away. So they will immediately be alarmed, then they can do the stampede. You know, chickens are one of the smartest animals. They can even think, and do you know, they are one of the coolest animals because they can run so fast. They're one of the fastest animals on earth. And do you know ducks are mostly related to chickens? Ducks are related to chickens because they're both birds. And you know chickens can actually dream like humans. Is that cool? Yeah, we have amazing, sometimes bad dreams and sometimes happy dreams. And also chickens and hens have bad dreams and happy dreams. Hens. Remember hens. And do you know the chickens are mostly related to the T-Rex? Is that cool? And people in Jurassic World, Jurassic World, they mostly took a little bit of the chicken's feather, one of the chicken's feather, then they replaced it on a kind of machine. Then they seen the DNA, and maybe it could turn into a dino DNA of the Tyrannosaurus Rex. That's which is the first, chicken or egg. Actually, there's 2 choices. So the chicken or the egg. Both of them do the same. Yeah, if you don't call that chicken a chicken at the end, egg came first. But if you do call it a chicken at the end, it's chicken that came first. That's the last of this video. Bye.